British geneticist Francis Crick is best known for his collaboration with James Watson. Together, they unraveled the structure of human DNA in 1953. Less than 10 years later, they were awarded the Nobel Prize for their groundbreaking work in genetics. In 2006, genetic researchers at the University of California at Santa Cruz discovered an area of the genome they called HAR1 that appears to be unique to humans. Scientists believe the HAR1 gene plays a critical role in the advanced development of the human brain and is a key element that sets us apart from other animals. But where did it come from? Did humans develop this distinct gene naturally through evolution? Or did it land here from another planet? Francis Crick, the British scientist who helped discover the structure of DNA, believed that human genes could not have evolved by chance.
Crick didn't feel in that period of roughly 600 million years from the formation of the planet down to the time when the planet could first support life, there was enough time for DNA to evolve by accident. It's an enormously complicated molecule. Crick gave this analogy. You would be more likely to assemble a fully functioning and flying jumbo jet by passing a hurricane through a junkyard than you would be to assemble the DNA molecule by chance in any kind of primeval soup in 500 or 600 million years. It's just not possible.
Possibly there's information in our DNA about whether human evolution was manipulated or not. The DNA is almost deciphered, yet we only understand 5% of the information it carries.
Welche Informationen unser Erbgut trägt.
Geneticists have determined that it only takes about 5% to clone a human being, and that 95% of that genetic material that we have in our bodies is nothing more than what they refer to as genetic junk.
Why is everything there? And there's probably parts of the DNA that don't have an obvious current function. Maybe they're left over from something that was used in the past, kind of like our appendix is left over.
Could this genetic junk hold the key to the evolution of humans? Some people suggest that decoding our DNA entirely will unlock startling information about our origins. But could it even prove that aliens played a role in our development thousands of years ago?
If you hypothetically wanted to record an eternal message that could be decoded by a creature that had eventually evolved enough intelligence to decode it, and the place to put that message would not be on some monument or in some text which might be swept away, but actually on the DNA of the creature itself. It's recently been established that DNA is a recording medium of almost limitless power. It would be technically possible to record the entire knowledge of a civilization on the DNA in our bodies. All you'd need is a way to access that information.